Hello fellow warriors, Alpine here. Today I wanted to talk about first aid kits and the importance of them, what you can have them, and how you can make them. So first let's take a look at the Adventure Medical Kits first aid kit. This is the Sportsman Series 100. Let's see what's inside. So at first glance, what's really nice about this one is the fact that once you open up this little zippered pack that it comes in, it's immediately inside of a waterproof plastic pouch, all the contents. So that's nice that they do that too. You could completely submerge this if it was in your kayak or got underwater, and you would still have everything dry. Okay, so what you're getting in this kit is a wilderness first aid guide, which is great to have. Any kind of knowledge in the kit is awesome to have, especially in a stressful situation. An assessment form. This, you could just jot down notes if you were with somebody or a child or a loved one and something happened to them, and you could do an evaluation if you had to bring them to basically get medical attention afterwards. This would help them if you wrote down the situation, what you gave them, and what went on with it. That's basically what this is with a pencil. You get 5 adhesive bandages, fabric, 1 inch by 3 inch, 5 adhesive bandages, knuckle. You get 2 butterfly closure bandages, 3 triple antibiotic ointments, 6 antiseptic wipes, 2 alcohol swabs, 1 wound irrigation tool, 10 cc. That's what this is. 4 sterile gauze dressings, 4 inch by 4 inch, 4 sterile gauze dressings, 2 inch by 2 inch, 2 sterile non-adherent dressings, 3 inch by 4 inch, 1 cloth tape, 1/2 inch wide, 10 yards, moleskin pre-cut shape. This is always good to have, especially on hikes. Put it around your ankles, relieve some of that pressure of the blisters. 3 after bite wipes, 4 aspirins, 4 ibuprofens, 2 antihistamines, 1 elastic bandage, 2 inch, 1 splitter tick remover. This is good to have for ticks, absolutely. 3 safety pins, trauma pad, and 2 sets of nitrate gloves. Pretty good kit for what it has and the cost. I would also add to it some bug spray. I would add some Quick Clot. We're going to talk about this pack in a little bit. I would also add a multi-tool like a Leatherman. Keep that in there. And most definitely a cat tourniquet you'd want to have with you too. Now, Adventure Medical Kits also makes this trauma pack, which has Quick Clot in it. And the nice thing about this is you can order this right on Amazon. This one and the other kit I just talked about, you can get right on Amazon. Okay, so what you get in this kit is the Quick Clot itself, plus instructions on how to use it, and a somewhat small but informative pamphlet on first aid, which is great. Knowledge is everything. And what also comes in the kit is a 5 by 9 inch trauma pad, 2 nitrate gloves, 2 sets, 1 duct tape, 2 inches by 26 inches, 1 triangular bandage, 2 sterile gauze dressings, 4 inch by 4 inch, 2 sterile gauze dressings, 2 inch by 2 inch, 1 conforming gauze bandage, that's a 3 inch, 6 antiseptic wipes. Of course, you get the reusable bag and the instructions. I can't stress enough how important it is to always have a first aid kit with you whenever you're out doing an adventure, no matter what it is. The nice thing about the kit is that you can put in it what you want, what you need, what you think you might need. That's why it's good to have knowledge on how to use these different things and in what situation and medical adaptations that you might be using them in. The QuikClot is an excellent thing to have to stop the bleeding immediately. So what you want to do is practice up on your first aid techniques. Also, knowledge is power. So a good source of basic first aid is the Boy Scout Field Book. A lot of great information in here. Also, if you can get your hands on one, Special Forces Medical Handbook. A lot of great information in here too. And one thing to keep in mind is with your first aid kit, you buy one, you keep it with you, but also take a look at it every once in a while and update it. See if this stuff is still good. Some of it can melt in the sun or the cold can affect it. So you always want to update it and make sure you have good stuff, good bandages, stuff that's going to work when you really need it. Food for thought. As an example about knowledge, back in the day where I had to work alone, having knowledge about different things can definitely help you if you're out by yourself and all you have to rely on is what you know and how to do it. Example being, I would also carry one of these back in the day, which is a medical surgery kit. So if you had to do different things to yourself to keep yourself going and you knew how to do it and you practiced it, like basic sutures, IVs, that type of thing, you could do it and be proficient at it. So that being said, everyone, stay strong, be limitless.